Today we're going to check out the Tulameen car show, so stick around. Today we are going to check out the Tulameen car show. It's not gonna be that big compared to like the Chilliwack one we had, link above here, but I'm sure we're gonna find some good gems, and let's go. I'm definitely gonna find some loud vehicles. We've got some bands. We got apparently an AC/DC tribute band, so I'm looking forward to that. So stick around. She needs a little wash.
Your parachute pants look like the Vegas Strip, lighting up when you dance. Got your threads dripping with the glitz and the glam. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back. Rolling red carpet everywhere that you go. Talking so smooth, carry on the road.
Look at the size of these tires. Jeez.
Even go, ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like.
Now, here's one of the cars I dreamed of owning when I was a kid. Mighty fine Dodge Viper. Barracuda. 1980 Firebird. I almost bought one of these, but it was a 1987.
Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that. Rocking high tops while you're bumping the beats. Drop that boom boom, got the sound of the streets. Oh no, don't stop, let it run.
And one of my favorites, the Belair.
Gonna hold you back. Wow, they've never seen it before.
Oh, a beautiful Shelby Cobra.
Rated 5 stars, make them come back for more. When they walk in, jaws drop on the floor. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that. When you got it like that. Ain't nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that. When you got it like that.
We got some classic old Harleys. Let's check them out.
When you got it like that, you got it. You got it like that. You got it, yeah, yeah, you got it like that. You got it, yeah, yeah, you got it like. You got it, yeah, yeah, you got it like that. When you got it like that. Nothing gonna hold you back when you got it like that.
So that wraps up the third annual Tulameen car show. It was pretty cool. You know, again, it wasn't a huge show, but it was fun. We had all the right rides. We had a few Mustangs, you know, hot rods, some of the classics, you know, some classic trucks, you name it. It was awesome. Too bad Stacy wasn't there, but hey, there's always next time. My personal favorite was the 69, the Shelby there. Beautiful car, you know, bright yellow. You can't complain about it. Pretty slick. So, but that's it for this year, guys. So until the next one, we'll see ya.
Nice and clean.